Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because today we're exploring the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. Whether you're a hobbyist, a designer, or even running a small business, these printers are perfect for bringing your ideas to life. We'll break down features, performance, pros and cons, and help you pick the right one for your projects. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump in. Number 1. FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE AD5X is perfect if speed and precision are your top priorities. Thanks to its CoreXY system, the printer moves faster while maintaining accuracy. The one-click auto-leveling is a lifesaver. No more fiddling with screws or bed calibration. The 300°C direct drive extruder means it can handle advanced filaments like TPU, ABS, and PTG. Compared to other printers in this list, the AD5X shines in multicolor printing. If you like creating complex, colorful models, this one is designed for efficiency. It's also very beginner-friendly despite its high-end specs. CoreXY high-speed design prints up to 600 millimeters per second, one-click auto-leveling, 300°C direct drive extruder, build volume 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, multicolor printing capability, ideal for precision and efficiency. Check price and availability. Pros: ultra-fast printing, high precision with CoreXY, one-click auto-leveling, multicolor printing. If you mostly print small to medium figurines or prototypes, this printer is perfect, but for larger objects, keep in mind the build volume limit. Number 2. Creality K2 Combo. The Creality K2 Combo is a large-format, high-tech powerhouse. With its dual AI cameras, you can monitor prints remotely, which is a game-changer if you run multiple prints at once. Its massive build volume makes it ideal for large-scale models or multiple items in one go. Plus, the new CFS system allows multicolor printing without messy filament swaps. Compared to the AD5X, this one trades slightly slower speeds for bigger build volume and smarter monitoring. For professionals or makers who print frequently, this is a great investment. Multicolor printing with CFS system, full auto leveling, max printing speed 600 millimeters per second, next-gen direct drive extruder, dual AI cameras for real-time monitoring, build volume 350 by 350 by 350 millimeters, check price and availability. Pros: huge build volume, smart AI monitoring, high-speed printing, auto leveling. Make sure you have a dedicated workspace because this printer is bigger than standard models, but the extra space pays off with larger prints and higher efficiency. Number 3. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro. The Adventurer 5M Pro is compact but powerful. Its all-metal CoreXY structure ensures precise prints at high speeds. The quick detachable nozzle makes maintenance super easy. For beginners or pros who want a reliable, easy-to-use machine, this one hits the sweet spot. Compared to the AD5X, this model is slightly more compact and portable. It's perfect if you need a stable, fast printer without taking up too much space. One-click auto printing, 600 millimeters per second high-speed printing, quick detachable 280°C nozzle, CoreXY all-metal structure, build volume 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, check price and availability. Pros: easy maintenance with detachable nozzle, high-speed CoreXY printing, one-click auto printing, compact design. If you print mainly miniatures or small mechanical parts, this printer is excellent. For bigger projects, consider the K2 Plus instead. Number 4. FLA5X Variant. This variant of the AD5X focuses on speed and multicolor versatility. The intelligent filament system makes swapping materials easier, and the fully auto-leveling bed ensures your prints are precise every time. If you loved the original AD5X but want more control over multicolor printing, this variant is perfect. It's almost identical in speed and precision, but adds better filament management. multicolor 3D printing with IFS, fully auto leveling, max printing speed 600 millimeters per second, max nozzle temperature 300 degrees Celsius, build size 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters. Check price and availability. Pros: multicolor printing, intelligent filament system, auto leveling. This one is best for artists or modelers who work with multiple filaments in a single print. And number 5, Creality K2 SE. The Creality K2 SE is a robust and versatile printer. Its metal frame adds stability, reducing vibrations and improving print quality. It supports multicolor printing and has a quick swap nozzle for easy maintenance. Slightly slower than the top models, but still excellent for hobbyists and pros. It's a solid middle ground between beginner-friendly and high-tech. If you want a stable printer with multicolor support but don't need massive build volume, the K2 SE is perfect. 500 millimeters per second high-speed printing, supports multicolor printing via CFS, solid metal build, auto leveling and direct drive extruder, quick swap nozzle, print size 220 by 215 by 245 millimeters. Check price and availability. Pros: solid metal build, multicolor printing support, quick swap nozzle, reliable print quality. Perfect for small to medium projects where stability and material versatility matter more than extreme speed. So, there you have it, the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. If you want speed and precision, go for the FLASHFORGE AD5X or Adventurer 5M Pro. For large-scale printing and smart features, the Creality K2 Combo is unbeatable. And if you're after robust versatility and stability, the K2 SE is a strong choice. Remember, each printer has its strengths, so pick the one that fits your workflow and project size. Check the description for direct links and the latest prices. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!